What's up, YouTube? It's your girl. I think I'm funny. And I'm back with the Ditra show. You cannot come to my channel unless you say I'm pervy. If you're not saying I'm pervy, what you doing? You breaking my heart. So today, we doing a rap snack video. We featuring the Boosie snacks, the Master P noodles, rap snacks. The Boosie noodles, them bitches too hot, y'all, so I ain't opening them already. Yeah. The E40s. We got the Cardi B chips. We have the Romeo Miller chips. We have the Migo chips. So come chill with me today while we eat our rap snacks, baby, on period. If you are new to my channel, I need you to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell. Keep your post notification on so every time I drop a video, you are first to see my video. And if you see me for the same clothes from yesterday, that's because this video probably dropped fucking yesterday. So, you know, don't mind me. So, let's get into it. So, right now, I'm still letting the noodles kind of sit. And I'm smoking this, chincha chow. Then we gonna have my special guest come in and rate all this stuff for me. So that's what we gonna do. So I have my special guest, like I said, to taste these noodles with me, and I'm going to let y'all know what they think of the noodles and chips, how they feel about the chips, and all that. So, we're going to get right into it. So, the first noodle we're going to try is the Rap Snack E40. We're going to try those, and I'm going to let y'all know how we truly feel about this noodle. And I'm going to let y'all know what we added to the noodles and, you know, all that.
What's up, guys? So, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Y'all already know that. But this is CJ from Funny Kids. Well, I think I'm a funny kid. No, I think I'm funny. But this is a new kid. Y'all already know this your boy D Nice. Funny kid. Riley. The other funny kid. Alright, take y'all in. Let's get it.
Y'all, I'm behind the camera, so the kids are tasting the noodles and they're going to give you their honest opinion on how the noodles taste.
Bustin'. Yeah, we all said bustin'. But I love 0 and the wanted a 10,000. 10 out of 10.
And these are the E40 noodles. I did add my own spices and I cooked my noodles with milk, you guys.
I think the word 40 noodles.
It's good.
A spice jars.
So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe.
If you want to try these noodles,
go buy them at the store.
If y'all want to buy these noodles, these are the E40 Icon Rap Snacks. That's what these are. And like I said, I didn't put water in my noodles. I cooked mine with milk, butter, and seasoning.
It's good.
it don't even taste like none of that.
No.
It tastes like the normal ones.
That's what's up.
It tastes like the no paw.
No paw?
Yes.
So a good taste from it.
Okay, and next on the thing we're going to try, they're going to try the Migos Wavy. Migos Wavy Barbecue with me honey, with my honey. They dabbing on niggas. It got some ranch in it.
Heck yeah.
There we go. Taste that lips, y'all.
Everyone, oh, it's only like 4 chips in. It's only like 4 chips, so.
Oh.
Everybody.
Whoa, just a big chip.
That's why you only get 4. Show the camera. Ooh.
Alright, now let's eat these.
Dig it, guys. Alright, noodles 10 out of 10, chips 10 out of 10.
100.
Out of 10.
100.
1,000 out of 1,000.
100
Actually,
out of
10,000 out of 10,000.
Yes.
Actually, 1,000 out of 1,000.
The flavor. The texture.
Take it back. 1,000,000 out of 1,000. Out of 100. Out of 4,008,000,000.
Good. These, they good. But right here, that's all the stuff so y'all can know what
I
you're
get
doing.
it on
So what y'all seeing, y'all gonna need to taste them. Some people haven't really tasted them.
They
But
said
10,
they're gross.
10 out of 10.
They said they gross, but for real,
It's
they
good.
smack and bust.
What you say? 10 out of 10? Alright.
10 out of 10.
Alright.
5 out of
Next
5
up,
out of 10?
yeah. 5
Alright.
out of 10. He said 5 out of 10.
next up, we're gonna do the Cardi B raps next.
Yeah,
Let's go, guys.
Carly B.
Cardi B,
Hey, Cardi.
y'all give it y'all honest
And
opinion.
plus, she makes a song too.
Mommy, walk into the door.
Hey. I get one. You didn't even get the short on the tip. Hmm? Oh,
Taste it again, nephew.
it tastes like a condom.
I did.
It tastes like a barbecue condom.
And these the Cardi B snacks.
It tastes like barbecue with
Next round.
sour
Guys,
chips.
number 2.
Number 3.
Round
4.
Wait,
Four.
no.
Because we did the noodles. 2 chips. Oh, that's 3.
round 3 and 5.
So this is the Master P rap snack. They about to taste those.
Alright, let's go, y'all.
Let's get into it.
You call these noodles? You call
Okay.
these noodles?
Already 10 out of 10.
I did a 5 out of 10.
I'm sorry. But I got to give this a
6 out of 10.
a 0 out of 10. It's kind of disgusting.
10 out of 10.
For you and me.
5 out of 10.
And those are the Master P snacks. He said those are kind of disgusting.
But they good too.